want to talk about starting your vlog, like videoing your vlog using your phone to start a vlog. Morning, loves. I finally took my braids out. And I'm here just making my breakfast this morning. You guys know I'm doing the Weight Watchers plus a vitamin type of diet also. But I made me a turkey, bacon, egg sandwich because it's 0 points. Okay, so let me show you my bacon. It is. And I'm making me some tea. I need a tea bag. Let's see what I have. Do I have a green tea? I think so. I do. Yay! Ginger pack here. I like this stuff. Took my vitamins already. They always took all my vitamins. These are my iron. These are my multiples, and I'm finishing up these multiples. These both are the same. This is the smaller. I want to talk about starting your vlog, like videoing your vlog using your phone. So those were 2 shots I was showing you guys to start a vlog. Just get little clips, and then that's your story. When you edit it, you put it in just like you vlogging it, because that's going to be your story of that vlog, or of that day, or moment in your life. That's how you do it. Because vlogs, people want to see just about everything you're doing. That's it. What is your vlog content about? So make each vlog about something. So when you title it, it's about that. It doesn't have to be teaching something. It just has to be something that's gonna draw them to your vlog. Okay? So if you fell down, you make it, what happened? You know, but make that picture your fall down if you can. Or, you know, that's your thumbnail. Just to get them to grab onto it and click on it. It's called clickbait. You want them to click on your thumbnail and make your title to the thumbnail. Thumbnail be, he broke up with me. And another advice is, you don't have to really have a title for your vlogs until you start editing it. And then you choose the title that way. Because if I'm just doing a lifestyle, you know, moments of my life vlog, I wait until I start doing the editing on it and find like something interesting in the vlog. And I choose that to be the title. And I make that the thumbnail. Because you can make your thumbnails also from the videos that you make. You can freeze it, snapshot it, you know, and make that your thumbnail. Remember, when you're vlogging, to hold your camera wide, not long, but wide, so that it fits into the YouTube screen perfectly. Is another tip that I do is move to different areas of your place. Don't always vlog in one spot if you're doing a lifestyle video. Just want to take moments of your day. Then you might take a moment of you driving. You might take a moment of you in your room. You might take a moment of you straightening up something. You know, it's just moments in your day. It does not have to be long vlogs for clips. Okay? You're just doing moments. And that makes your story, and it just trails along nicely. And I do everything from my phone, guys. My editing, I do use my computer sometimes, but to me, it's easier for me to use my phone, because that's how I started. So if I want to make a vlog really pop, then I'll use the computer, because I edit through iMovie. I use clips, and I use Vandarama for real good live effects. So the iMovie in your phone, actually the app is gotten so much better because it's new now, it's updated. You can do so much with it. And the iMovie on the Mac computer is even better. So you have all these things that are free to do. Now with the cameras, I haven't gotten a camera yet, a vlog camera, but I feel that it would be too cost effective for me right now when I'm not really getting paid right now through vlogging. You know, so I don't think it's cost effective for me right now. When your phone get dead, you just charge it and you can keep on going, you know. And when you're in your car, you can put it on the charger. You're not gonna run out of memory, nothing like that. And you back your phone up to keep everything clear so that you can vlog, and get rid of your clips, guys. Do not save them in the phone, in your photo area. Get rid of them after a week. So those are my tips. I don't think there's anything else I would like to say to you guys. I'm probably gonna do a video of editing video on iMovie soon. I'll try to get it up by the end, no, let's say the beginning of next week. And I'll try to do a nice good one for you guys so that you can follow along. Make it easy as I can, but you know I have my hair vlogs. You can go watch that. That'll show you how I edit. You know, watch the steps to get ideas. Okay, so these little clips that I gave you at the beginning of the vlog was what I was trying to what I was showing you. Those are just little clips. I stop it, do another clip. Stop it, do another clip. I stopped it to do a clip of getting the tea bags. I stopped it to do a clip of me putting the tea bag in the water. I stopped it to show you guys my sandwich. Yeah, so those are clips, and you saw how those ran throughout the vlog. So, and then you can also attach like little text underneath the clips in iMovie, and or any source of editing program that you're using. You can type the words, but in the computer, on one click, you can add more than one text. But on the phone, you can only add one text, and you can let it just be a pop-up, or you can have it to stay for the whole duration of the clip, okay? So that's it for now, guys. I hope I helped you out a little with some little tips on editing and vlogging with your, with your phone. Oh, what is that? I'm always getting that now since I changed my way of eating. Y'all like my ponytail? I gotta find something to do because I can't be doing this every day. I need something that's, I'm just saying, okay? All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next what? I'll see you on the next vlog. Come party with me on the next vlog. I'm Valsthrift. Come party with me on my next vlog. What's all this? I don't know.